Okay, so got a little vertical C JRT controller. Pretty nice little clean unit. What we got for this service call is I got it upstairs. I did just ride it. The in-car #1 button doesn't work. So it works down here from the haul station. We could double check that. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is coming down. Then I'll just use the prints here to figure out, where are we? Here's your car calls, your haul calls, right? We're working at the haul call down here on 1. So we're gonna want to jump out the key switch there. So R to BC, and this will just run it just as if you're hitting that button inside the COP. That's how I usually run them when you're messing around doing maintenance anyways, because that way you're not jumping out any door locks, or it's just running on normal operation. Keep everything safe. But let me call it down from here and we'll go take a look in the COP. Okay, so we're in the little car here. The guy's got a burnt out light bulb. These are just, some very basic black EMAS or EMOS buttons. But, so you got your contacts on the back of the button here. Here's for 2. There's for 1. You see that green, which is probably, you're normally closed, normally open. I believe, yeah, your normally open contact is not being pushed in. So I hate working on these little COPs. They're such a pain in my ass, because I don't like leaving them down here and hanging on the wires. But I do have one of these in the car. I'll have to pop it open. I think I got the GoPro in the car. I'll go get it and set it up. So while I pop that off, we'll see if the button is broke or something else is happening inside there. But I'll go get it. Okay, so I got the new one here. These just click off here pretty easy. Looks like, if you see on that side, it's missing the tab there. So we're gonna have to switch it out. It all just pops off pretty easy. There's the busted piece there. Put on our nice little #1. Hopefully you guys can see it all okay. Just like that, like that. We got, oh, there we go. Put all this back in the pocket. Should have one screw handy here. Let's see, I got a key. There we are. Dropping shit everywhere. Anybody else bad for, like, I'm sure I've said it before, but like you leave tools in your pocket, then you go to your car, they make it to the passenger seat. And my bad thing is Allen keys. So often. I don't know if I just changed that on you guys, hitting my head there. But this little, what is it, like a 3/32 Allen key, never makes it back into the bag. But you can use your, is it a T10? I think it's a T10 from the Mega Pro. And you're laughing. Little charge of a new button here. I'll see if I can't show you. I'm trying to get these guys to do a packing on the cylinder too. I'll show you in a minute when I get in there. She's all good though. So you can see here, got a little mouse action there. Standard little flow control. The hose is leaking right here. Just a touch. I gotta get, last time I was here for maintenance, they required a new hose in our area. Every 5 years they get changed. There's not much to speak of in here. But yeah, that's your basic vertical C handicap lift here. This one's a little different because you got an oversized toy sway here. But here's a question. You guys come out on your route to do a hose like this? Is it a two-man job all the time, or are they getting you to do it with one guy? In my opinion, it should be two, because once you put the new hose on, you want to run some, like purge it or whatever, you want to run some oil through it before you hook it up to that flow control. But I don't know, maybe people aren't doing that, but I'd be curious to know how many guys are out here doing them by themselves. Like, you can stop blocks, flow control, switch it out, but then you have the line full of air. So I don't know, let me know in the comments. See you on the next one.